welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Luis Vasquez, and today we are making a ring light, and we are featuring
Rachel,
and Kendra, and then Chloe.
my niece Chloe.
So today we are making a ring light because we need a ring light.
We're too cheap to buy one.
We're too cheap to buy a $100,000 ring light that we can just buy for $3.
Okay.
So what do you need?
Because we're hungry. Sorry.
Yeah, and sponsored by Dr. Pepper.
Okay, no, we're not. Sponsored by Jen.
Jen by BTS.
Hey, show.
But the materials that you'll need today is a rope light set. You can buy this at Big Lots or Walmart for $15, not $7. London the hard way.
That is $4 cheaper.
That is true. That is true. You also need cable ties. You can buy these at Dollar General, and then aluminum foil.
If you already have those at home, you don't need.
You don't need them.
Good. A plus.
A wreath, and then you need a cardboard box, and then you need a marker.
Yeah.
So let's get to it. So the first step is to trace the wreath onto the cardboard box or poster.
But theoretically, we are married.
So you would want to trace the middle part and the outside part onto the cardboard box. Okay, so now what you're gonna do for step 2, you're gonna get your scissors. And you're gonna cut it out.
Or we can just,
close-ups of just Louise right now. Demolish these nuggets. Yeah, I forgot the there's a Chloe popping in.
Established in 1885. Dr. Pepper, hit us up.
We would love to be sponsored by you. Oh, Black Sabbath totally wants to come at me as well.
Take me down, say Paradise City where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. Why don't you please take me home?
No, I don't like.
I have a chopstick.
Y'all, I love
I don't even
Rachel.
know how to use it.
Look,
You wanna bet?
Rachel is literally making my ring light. Do not.
I'm for it.
Who makes Brantley?
Brantley, we love you. But you're in Disney right now, so I'm kind
Baby,
of jealous.
come back.
I'm jealous.
Yeah, let's talk about that. She left us for Disney.
That is freaking insane. I want to get back to Disney. But
We're all leaving each other.
Hashtag we're mad at you.
Hashtag he'll leave soon. Hashtag we'll leave next. 2 a.m.
I don't know. We're like, hey, y'all want to hang out? Oh,
That's what she has to say about your opinion.
me and Brandon were like, y'all want to hang out with us? And you're like, we're in Vietnam.
We're not even in the country.
We're on the way.
Bye, losers.
Bye.
Sorry, children.
And please put
This is
the
PG-5.
please put the dolphin sound.
Bye-bye.
Let's eat Rachel's food.
You eat her food, she might kill you.
Come on.
There's one nugget. You want it?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
I've been saying if you want to eat a nugget, you ought to come at it. I haven't ate since lunch. I'm dying.
Look, I'm almost done.
She took this upon herself. It doesn't take 2 people to cut that out. That's just overbearing, so we can't really help in this part. And you can't really do anything else until that's done. So, welcome to my TED Talk. We're done with our nugs. So, yeah.
Keep talking.
But we all know that 12-year-old who has way too many followers.
Oh.
Are you talking about her inspiration? Her wife to be in love
We're
to
done
wear
with the
bows?
first step.
Who is that?
JoJo Siwa.
I actually like her.
Let's go into every single student I'm missing. I love it. Let's go, nigga.
Then who are you talking about?
I'm just kind of sad. I'm gonna use myself.
Out.
Okay. Do I know the person?
Yeah. You listen to her song.
Beep.
Step two.
Okay. P.S. I was.
So step two, you're gonna get a little piece of aluminum foil. And you get this ring light. Not ring light. I think this is guys, this is a ring light.
Red, we're gonna turn on.
So now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna cover the cardboard with aluminum foil.
Half one if you need it.
This is what it's supposed to look like after you use the aluminum foil. It's not that hard. It's not pretty either.
I mean,
Step three, what I do? Down on the side. Now, what you do?
I'm okay.
Okay, so step three, you're now you're gonna get your wreath.
There's no F.
Your
Wreath.
Now you're gonna get your lights, and now you're gonna put it on the outside of
Are you good?
the outside of.
Alright. In the house. That's my mom.
I'm not meant for DIY.
Let's see how ugly this thing is.
Here's a nice close up for you. Why does it look better in camera? Hey, welcome to my world. Let's do this. You can start to smell the ramen over here.
Yeah, you can.
Going to. Next one.
High School Musical.
We're done.
Woo!
Okay, we're gonna have a test.
Literally took us an hour.
Ooh, look at this.
Ooh. Why is this more like blue lighted?
Because
It's cool white.
cold.
We did good, everyone.
Yay, thank you, Rachel, for doing it. This is the final product.
I'm a sunflower.
We would like to thank aluminum foil, the lights, Kendra and Rachel and Chloe,
Oh, zip ties, yeah.
zip ties.
We're
What?
gonna
It's
sell these
scissors.
last three on eBay.
Mama
House.
Mama A's house, blinds, chairs, table.
What else?
Shout
Shout out to Rachel's phone for being our camera and her camera.
and
in
her
general.
camera in general that we barely even use.
Shout out to future Rachel editing.
You the bomb.
Sad music too.
Shout out
Shout out
sad
to
music.
shout out to
Now we finally figured out the words.
Shout out to Dr. Pepper for sponsoring us. This only took an hour to do.
We
To make.
established it's not easy.
And if you want to save time, just buy one online for like $90.
This is how you promote good YouTube quality.
So thank you for watching, and we'll see you whenever we make another video.
Bye.
Bye.